Artoonza.
Glitter champs and football fans. Today, we're drawing the ultimate glitter football, the soccer ball, that's so shiny even Ronaldo might ask for tips. First, we'll sketch with black markers, then sprinkle glitter like it's confetti at the World Cup. Oh, and yes, we've got a tiny naughty vacuum on the team because glitter always plays dirty. Finally, we'll score the winning goal with dark blue glitter nail polish coloring. Because who said football can't be fabulous?
So cute.
Stick around, laugh with us, and let's kick off some sparkly art magic together. Give us your like. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Dark blue glitter nail polish on a football. Oh yes, because goals are cooler when they sparkle. Wow. Give us a big thumbs up. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Some people kick footballs. We paint them fabulous. This soccer ball is about to look so stylish. Even the referee will need sunglasses. Dark blue glitter nail polish coloring. Because every football deserves a little fabulous fashion goal. And just like that, our glitter football is ready to score hearts, not just goals. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.